sekusele kancane siyophumelela woy 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 sekusele kancane. Where are the doubters saying we're not going to make it out the group? Where are they? Show yourselves. And no, don't move the goalposts and say, yeah, you're not going to make it past the knockout round. No. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. The doubters say we're not making out the group. Our own South African people doubting us, doubting Hugo Bruce. Back-to-back AFCONs out the group stages. Qualified out the group. There's some coaches who couldn't qualify out the group. Your favorite coaches couldn't qualify out the group stage of AFCON. This guy does it back-to-back. His first two back-to-back. That's an achievement in itself. Hugo Bruce, for me, you've already done enough. This, if you do more, it's just too much now. Where are those doubters? Anyways, but that game, stressful, man. We made it hard. I don't know why whenever we score a goal, we relaxed. We score a goal, we relax. No, guys, we need to punish and finish the game. Because other teams are going to be dangerous. If we score and relax, we can't do that going forward. And Ngezana shake. Ngezana, your defending is making me stress a lot. And Sitola, you sloppy passes. You're trying to 10 in the midfield. Why are you trying to a skillful 10? Just, you saw Mkwena's got the guy. Just kick the ball out. We start again. Start fresh. But yeah, objective one complete. Make it out the group. That's what we're here for. That's what I said. Match day one, that win. Very important against Angola. Very, very important. Because now, look, we're still qualified. Yes, we won. But then if we had lost that first game, calculators are out. And this game would have been more stressful. So well done, Bafana. Thank you, Hugo Bruce, for qualifying out the group. Even though you were doubted by so many people, we've done it. Even though it wasn't easy, it was hard, but we've done it, and that's what matters. We'll look forward to the next stage. And then that side, Angola, Egypt, well done for holding Angola out to a 0-0 draw. I was watching the game also on the side here. It's stressful because Angola were all over Egypt, but Egypt held on with the second string team, let me say impact players. There's no B team now, there's impact players. So well done to both Egypt and South Africa for qualifying out the group B. Let's go to the knockout stages.
Hello, is that the office of Zimbabwe? Oh, okay, thank you. You are talking to South Africa's #1 supporter and president of football supporters. You know him. Thank you. Never mind. We're calling to say we're sorry, Zimbabwe, that you didn't qualify. Shapa, Bafana, shapa! Sunny better. Sorry? No, we're not like other teams. We're not that selfish. You know, we call our victims and tell them that it will be okay next time. Yes, it will be okay next time. Have a safe journey going home. No, have a safe journey going home, please. Sorry? No, I'm not laughing. I'm serious. It's a heart attack right now. And you know what? It's good that you didn't qualify for the next round of 16, because that one is for the big boys. No, I can explain. I'm not saying that you are small boys. We are very excitement. Wafana is doing extra large.
Hey! Le game icishe yanibulala, le game icishe yankhipha umphefumulo. Unumber 19 weZimbabwe bowusho ukusiqeda, bowusho ukusiminya. Lo mfana bethunyelwe kuthi. Ayibadide komudiba ngemva. Hey Zimbabwe. Hayi kodwa iZimbabwe yona yagoduka, hamba khaya thina sala kula 16. Police. Hey, sabonga. Ngezana ngemva. Nisebenzile bafana. Yabona le game. Ndithe xa ngisithi iZimbabwe izosukulisa kwathiwa ibhola nilasi. Yabona ngoba sezime ngenyawo.
You wanna know how good Umbekezeli Mbokazi is? Every time he gets beaten by an attacker of the opposition, abantu baya celebrate because it really happens. Ivela kancane leyo nto le. This season so far awuthu kuphela amadoda engwaboni ashiya uMbokazi phansi. uChristian Sayile lapha kuSiwelele and then manje la kuZimbabwe ulo ubani lo mfolo Maswanisi that guy. But okay, two things that this guy did so well as he sees in South Africa kule game le. One, those diagonal balls, the way he switches up the play, because what the diagonal balls does is that uma a switcher play, it alleviates the pressure from defense in South Africa, because play yonke isuke ingapha, focused ngapha. Zimbabwe is pressing down the left hand side, and then Mbokazi gets the ball immediately uyal switcher ulisa ile kukhulisa Mutau or ulisa kulomfolo Umremi or Nkota, depending on who is playing on the right hand side. And leyo nto leyo iyayisiza South Africa to alleviate the pressure, and they can be able to play through the flanks. That's number one. Number two, Mbokazi is very good for covering for Aubrey Mudiba. Umdiba bafethu ushaya imoto, ishaya imoto le. Umdiba ushaya imoto and kwesinye isikhathi angabuyi ngesikhathi. Angazi noma mhlawumbe uthembe kona ukuthi uMbokazi uzomcover, because that's what Mbokazi was doing for majority of the game. Whenever Umudiba makashaya imoto, Mbokazi, if Zimbabwe would be on transition to take on South Africa, Mbokazi comes and cover for him. Salute to this guy. Ebese kunale run ayishayile from the back weza nayo waqeda amadoda uthula iswing wathi umephuma waphasa uMudiba. The only thing uMudiba had to do was ukushaya cutback, Mbokazi ashaya net, akakwazanga ukwenza lokho. But brilliant performance from Mbokazi, for me man of the match performance. Not the best performance for South Africa, but for Mbokazi as an individual, for me top notch.
Ayike lipheli leyilende straight yawohlala le enatural. Zimbabwe, Zimbabwe ayinkingi. Kodwa ke nje Zimbabwe mina ngiyabonga ngikwenzela ade ngicela kini. So ke ngithi ke wozani nonke manje South Africa ngokungemthetho ke manje. Nikwenzile kodwa beningafuni manje. Beningafuni. Zimbabwe Chiefs bengafuni oba kwethu. Yalenda ke manje ipeni yawohlala straight enatural. Ngasho ngathi niyanda ukuhlumbule kude balandeli beEgypt neZimbabwe neGabon neAngola njalo. Nilanda ubuhlungu kude nibulethela. Ilendile ke manje ipeni ihlele enatural manje. Ilendile straight bazophika uzobezwa. Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe bawethu ngiyayisaba. Ngiyayivuma ebholeni kuno number 19. Uvuthe ngabaselwe ke leyo number 19 kodwa nje sizamile bakwethu. Sizamile. Usibonge. Korobani abadlala abakorile. Bakwethu. Siyabonga. Usinikeza abadlali. Sesiphinde basiqualifyisa futhi kunalawo badlala basiqualifyisa kwiWorld Cup. Sebesifakile futhi kula 16. Siyabonga amaBhakania. Siyabonga amuzo omnyama kwande.
Bafethu. Bafika wabona South Africa le drama litsamaya so bafethu. But again South Africa shot le Zimbabwe 3-2 bafethu, and final South Africa qualified to the last 16 bafethu as usual.
As usually
16 without South Africa. So bafethu, we're going to talk about the negative and positive side of the game. Let me start by the negative bafethu ukuthi this game it made me believe ukuthi yazi South Africa ayiphume bafethu. South Africa namhlanje idletse shit ayiphume. After that own goal yamudiba, I was like yazi bafethu hayi. And bafethu, the one thing I could tell you is that Morocco yadlala nem. If Morocco wins or draw, because I can tell go to Morocco but if Morocco remains on number 1, do you know go to at our next turn on our journey to the last 16? Do you know go to Morocco? If Morocco remains number 1 at Group A, do you know Morocco will be playing with the team that's sitting number 2 at Group B, and that is South Africa.
Asisabi Morocco mus.
And the way sidlalile ngakhona bafethu, I'm scared ukuthi yasi bafethu uMorocco yaba.
Morocco nje
I
asisabi.
told you I'm advantages ya Morocco fans. I'm a fan.
We don't care, Sobamura.
And there's nothing they can
We
do
will
about
moor
it,
them.
bafethu. So South Africa today, the way you play, you give me worry. Would you Lizofika a final or semi-final like last season? Lizofika the way we were playing today. I'm my own goal like that. But Mdiba knows go to Williams Otano goalkeeper with his legs. But still, the guy forced himself. And he will be like, okay, so it's a mistake. What? No. You know what made me mad is that after that own goal, that guy started to do the VAR. I was like, you have the guts. You also VAR after what you did. When I'm Mdiba. And I'm coming to the positive, negative side of it. I'm a defender with Buffett. Why Albo Smith Bakona Babangate? Bossy busy Bakona Babangate. Buffett, goalkeeper Williams. I appreciate him. I love him. Baba Fetu. Sipo change. I know it's going to be a risk, but again, maybe you do something, but there will be no goal on goals, there will be no goal concerned. But Williams, Samtana, and he's the best goalkeeper in South Africa, but we chain call number 2. I'm a defender, UCBC, Smith, but Bakona. And what's part about the negative thing is that why coach Atano Father Umfuking, sometimes he was not even today, he was not in the game. Why, coach? When Mfuke needs to play so that ama clubs they can see ukuthi bamthenge. iReal izombona kanjani ahlele benchini. iBarcelona izombona kanjani ahlele.
Lo mjida akayazi beyikhulumayo bafethu. Lo mjida akayazi beyikhulumayo nimxolele bafethu ukuthi abe khona evidweni. But bro, this guy amahloni.
We come to the positive side. Positive side, Bafana, yes, they are strong, they are fighting. We should have beaten Zimbabwe with a lot of goals, Buffett. And let me talk about positive about Usipombule, Buffett. Usipombule, yes, sometimes he's hot, sometimes he's cold, but today he was hot.
He was not.
Especially the second half, he was playing, Buffett. We come to our police, he was playing. Murem, he was playing. Utewonkwena surprised me, but he was playing. Wabana story. I get told angazi what's going on with that man. Ufunani angazi. But yeah, Umkwena surprised me, he played well. Wabana Umbogazi no ngezana.
Bafethu ngicela ukuyivala live video namhlanje because lo mjida bese uzongibakela high ngento engekho. So ivideo ngizoyikhatha short. Bekasakhuluma but I was like no, let me just cut the video. Okay, uthi ion goal kaMdiba. How do you blame Mdiba? Okay, sure, Mdiba sure score on goal. But kule situation le into ongamblema ngayo mfethu uMdiba mfethu i-positioning kuphela. You can't blame Mdiba ukuthi ibhola limshayile bese langena. You can't blame him for that. Akasifostanga to anything. Ukeeper usavile ibhola lamshayisa ube langena esifeni. How do you blame him for that? How many own goals have you seen like that? Ibhola li ricochet off a defender elingena epalini. Aqale ngomdiba mfethu. Aqale ngomdiba. And secondly, uthi umfuke ngadlale because ufuna ama team ambone. He's not there ukuthi advertise. He's there to play. And if he's not good enough to play, he won't play. And yona into engithanda ngoBruce ukuthi uBruce akenzelana ama favor bra. uBruce akakwenzeli favor. And bra, I'm a Paris fan, ngiyayithanda iParis, ngiyamthanda uMfukeng. But angeke ngithi why ngadlalanga. Why? Look at AFCON, bra. AFCON is a physical game. Abantu Mfukeng kwesami ulingana nami ngomzimba, Mfukeng ulingana nami ngomzimba. Like mina bathi ngabe ulungiphushe ngiwe ngiwelele. Iyona iweakness kaMfukeng leyo ukuthi mncane ngomzimba. Iweakness yabo Mfukeng nomfundo Vilakazi ukuthi bancane ngomzimba. And ngiyafikhona labantu bangakanani. A simple nathi ngeshoulder uwile uMfukeng because awunayo vele iweight awunayo. That's why that's why sometimes ngibona ukuthi ucoach that's why I prefer ukuthi afake abomkwana because when at least they can fight for themselves during ama tussles e1-on-1. Yabo Mfukeng will never make it out of here ngathiwa like we go for pound ngomzimba with an African defender. Ngeke mfethu. He's skillful vele but igame yakho physical. We need players who can be able to withstand amanye defenders. So you can't say akadlale because you guys want him to go to advertise. This guy. He definitely could be able to stall. I stole at least. akazi ukuthi ngihlekani ukuthi umjida bethu ngicasule qeda ukukhuluma. Usithole no. Namhlanje ngimbonile. Sithole, what are you doing? Siphephelo. That's why I always say ukuthi I prefer ukuthi ucoach afake uObas. Even though Obas is not my favorite player benombatha. Hey, mfethu ufake uObas nokuthi ufake usithole. Anyways, office ngifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngegame namhlanje. And on my way to Val, I was in Val today. I was speaking to my uncle on emoto and I was like, playing against Zimbabwe, desperate is not a good match. Playing against Zimbabwe. It's a derby. You can't play a derby desperate. You can't. Because Zimbabwe was literally sitting last on the table. They had no chances of making out the group. So they were frustrating us. So my face. And the teammates it's like I don't see us making it to the semi-finals. And it's bone. I just don't see us because I feel like this season our teams they are really taking AFCON serious. Like our team last season I got to look out because last season like our team amakhulu ayiphumile or ashesha aphuma wakusela abo Cabo Verde kusele like our team angekho strong kakhulu, so that's why that it was kind of easy for us to maneuver and make it all the way to the semi. But right now looking at how serious our team are playing, like just imagine if it's Lala and Cameroon abo Baleba bra le game e Morocco versus Ivory Coast, you to watch it. Hey, I think too. Anyways, thank you for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And yeah.